Hello folks, welcome to PhoneCash3x. On this video I will show us how to create accounts in PhoneCash3x. Okay, let me quickly enroll us on how to do this. Okay, it's very simple and easy. So on the screen once you open PhoneCash3x, you will see a login screen. Okay, if you're opening for the first time, you will see login screen on your phone. Okay, on at the bottom part of the app you will see a create account. Okay, and on the current screen that we are in here, if you look at the left hand side, you at the bottom part you will see create account as well. Then when you click select create account, you will see a pop-up dialog will come up like create account for myself, and another one create account for a friend. Okay, simply select create account for myself. That is very simple and easy. Okay, that is very straightforward. That create account for myself. Once you do that, another screen that will come up is the step one will come up. Okay, step one will come up, which is enter your referral link. Okay, and this screen is optional. You can, to skip it, you can simply click on next slash skip. Okay, it will just skip to step two. Okay, but if you have a referral link, you can enter the referral link in the section there. Okay, on top you will see enter referral link. Okay, the page being circled red. Okay, you will see enter referral link, and once you enter the referral link, the results, that is the person's name, will the PhoneCash3 person that invited you, will then his name will appear at the results aspect of that screen. Okay, that is step one. Okay, it will the name of the PhoneCash3 user that invited will appear there. And once the name appear, then that is when you now click next. Okay, next or skip, next or skip, or you will enter step two. Okay, but if you don't have a referral link, don't bother, simply click next slash skip. Okay, even during the pay during app key generator app key generating of app key. Okay, the admin will still ask you whether you have a referral. Okay, before, so even if you skip it, it's not a bad thing. Okay, the admin can also request for the referral if somebody invites you. Okay, so that is it. And once you do this, the next screen that will come up is step two. Then step two screen will request for username and password. Then and you also have to confirm password. Note, your username and password will not be the same. Okay, your username and password will not be the same. And after, once you enter the value there, your username and password, then you click next. But meanwhile, there is rules at the bottom of the screen that says that the username must contain 8 letters and a number. Okay, whether one or more numbers that and must contain 8 letters, whether it's alphabet or alphabet true, whether it's small letter true or capital letter true, that is uppercase or lowercase true. It doesn't matter in the case of username, but in terms of password, it must contain uppercase and lowercase, and the length will be 8 or more letters, and it will also contain a number. Now, for the okay, I've said this. Okay, the username must contain 8 letters or more and a number. Okay, and the password will be uppercase and lowercase and 8 letters and a number. Then in the format of a username, if you look on the screen, you will see the format of a username, and if you look at the number of characters on the screen, you will see that there are 8 or more as well. Like Fred 1234 is more than 8 more than 8 numbers, and if you see Fred 12345 is also up to 9. Okay, and Fred in capital letter through with a number as well. Then you can see if you want to use number, you combine with alphabet at the bottom. Okay, something like that, but it must contain alphabet and number when it has to do with username. Then if you move on to the password aspect, you also see that it contains uppercase and lowercase as well in terms of the password. That is very, very important in terms of password, uppercase and lowercase. Then before together with a number as well. Okay, and it must be 8 or more letters. Okay, once you do that, that is it. But note, the username and password should not be the same. Okay, they shouldn't be the same. If it's the same, if there is error, it will not allow you. Okay, once you enter the username, the system will check whether an existing user have gotten that username. Okay, otherwise, if somebody have gotten that username, it will not go forward to step three. Okay, it will not go forward to step three. And once that is it. Once that is it, okay, it will not go forward to step 3, and you have to re-enter another username. Okay, you have to re-enter another username. Then in step 3, in the step 3 aspect, you will enter your you enter the you enter your phone number and verify your phone number as well. Okay, in step 3, you enter your phone number and verify the phone number. Meanwhile, during the entry of phone number, you will have to select your country name, your country name. Like mine is Nigeria. Okay, if I select country name, meanwhile during the entry of phone number, there is something you have to have in mind in phone number. Okay, the number, your number have to be 08. Well, for example, my own number is 0813232972. Okay, while my country is Nigeria, and the country code is +234. Okay, if you look at the right hand side, it's meant the combination of my country code and my phone number. Then the number that will be used in PhoneCash3x, that you will use in PhoneCash3x, will now become 8132329272. Okay, then the system will dictate the +234 automatically for you. Okay, then if you go back, if you select your number, that is number 1, you enter the phone number, that is step 2. That is you skip that, the first number in that your phone number. That is, for mine will be 8132329272. Okay, like I said earlier. Okay, 8132329272, like I said earlier, that is the number that I will use. Okay, 8132329272. Then when I do that, I will now do send OTP. Okay, once I click send OTP, that is number 3, that is send OTP. If I select send OTP, the OTP will be sent. Okay, code send is 68. If you look at the bottom of the screen, code send is 683174. Okay, and once I put that send OTP, then the number 4 will tell you to enter OTP here. Enter OTP here. That is it. The number being sent to you is what you enter. Okay, that is the 683174. If I enter the OTP there, then like yeah, exactly, for on this screen, everything comes there. But if you enter the OTP, make sure that you verify before the countdown. If you look at the top of the screen, before the countdown counts down to 0. Okay, the countdown timer, once it counts down to 0, that means you have to resend the OTP again. Meanwhile, the after once you enter the OTP, you have to verify the OTP and continue. Okay, once you verify, click on verify OTP and continue, and once you do that, meanwhile, if there is bad weather or bad network, okay, you can simply click on skip verification and continue when there is bad weather and bad network. Okay, due to that, because of that, that's why the PhoneCash3x admin allow that there. Okay, you can verify later, just skip it and verify and click continue. Okay, that is it for this step 3, and it's very simple. Just enter the phone number, follow the rules of the phone number, skip, don't use the first number in your phone number you will skip it, because the country code is already replacing that. After that, just like my on the screen, my is 081323299272. But after that, due to the country code, I will enter 8132329272. Okay, then after that, I click on send OTP. After the OTP, I enter the OTP and enter the OTP that was sent to my phone number. After that, I enter it and click on verify and verify OTP and continue. I can skip verification and continue as well. Then after that, once this, make sure that the timer does not count down to 0. Okay, I've mentioned that area. Then to verify, click on OTP and continue. Okay, we have done that. Then after that, and the screen that will come up is the final stage. This is stage 4. It will tell you to select your Google, your email account. Okay, once you click on the Google button there, I'm at the place ticked black marker. Okay, it's Google sign in. Once you enter the Google sign, we click on the Google sign in button there. The place I ticked, I marked good. Okay, once you click on it, it will pop up all the existing emails in your phone. Okay, if you look at my screen, that is similar thing will appear on your screen. Okay, once you do that, just select the email that you want to use. Okay, the email that you want to use. After that, you wait. Okay, after that, you wait for like 20 seconds. Okay, and if you look at the bottom of the screen, there is sign up synchronization started. There is a background operation that will take place. Okay, background operation that will take place to create your account. After that, the background operation will take place to create accounts, and even that when that happens, this congratulation screen will appear that shows that your account has been created. Okay, it has been created, okay, successfully, okay. And if you look at the bottom as well, you will see that sign up authentication in progress. That means there's still background operation that is still in progress, okay. Still, you have to wait till all these pop-up finish, okay. Once it finishes, then that's when you now click on return to login screen and start login. But once that is click on the turn screen and starts login, the system will automatically log you in automatically. Okay, the system will log you in automatically. Once you click on that button, the return to screen and start logging. Once you do that, the where you will find yourself is the home screen of PhoneCash3x. Home screen of PhoneCash3x. Okay, that means your account has been created successfully. Then, and if you want to log out and check your login information, if you want to log out and log in back, you can simply to log out. Click on who I am. Okay, who I am button on that home screen, and you select log out. The system will log you out. Okay, thank you for that. Thank you for listening. Okay.